Hey, I'm Adam, your math coach. Let's solve this SAT question. The table above shows some values for the function n. If n of t equals to k times 2 raised to the power of minus a times t for positive constants k and a, what is the value of a? If you want to give this problem a try, pause the video. Let's see how we can solve this. So it looks a bit intimidating first, but we can break it down. So actually, let's consider this function. Well, it's just a function. It's a function of time, but we don't care actually. We can just write this as f of x because we are familiar with f of x, and we just switch this t for an x. So it is the same function, just written in a different way. And k and a are positive constants. So what do we know? Well, we can just substitute in, and that would solve most of our problems. Because if we take, well, it's x and it's f of x in our writing style. So if we take x to be 0, then what do we know? Well, 2 to the raised, this power would be 0, because 0 times anything is 0. 2 to the 0 is 1. So f of 0 would be k. Only k times 1 is k. And we know that f of 0 is equal to 128. So k would be 128. Okay, that's good to know. So let's see the next one, f of 1. Well, we can just substitute in k, because we know k is 128, times 2 to the negative a times 1, that's negative a. And it would be equal to 16. Okay. So we can actually just solve this. Well, we have to remember that 2 to the sum n to the negative kth power would be equal to 1 over n to the kth power. So we can write this as we can write this as 1 over 2 to the 8th power, and we can just divide by 128. Well, 128 is actually 2 to the 7th power, I believe. So write it like that. And 16 2 to the 4th power. And now we have to remember, well, we actually don't have to remember how to divide this, but it's good if we remember. So 2 to the n over 2 to the k would be equal to 2 to the n minus k. So it would be equal to 2 to the 4 minus 7, 2 to the negative 3, and we can just write it as 1 over 2 to the 3. And we are done actually, because 1 over 2 to the a is equal to 1 over 2 to the 3. We don't have to prove that a equals 3, we just see that a equals 3. And answer is E, therefore 3. So have you managed to solve this? Tell me in the comment section. And if you want to see more problems like this, check out my other videos. Thank you for watching.